To make carbonara, first bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Then, add 12 ounces, 340 grams, of spaghetti and cook for about 10 minutes or until the pasta is al dente, which means it's cooked but firm in the center when you bite into it. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Next, whisk 3 eggs and 1 cup, 100 grams, of Parmesan cheese in a medium bowl. Set the bowl aside and add 8 slices of bacon to a large skillet. Cook the bacon over medium heat for 8 minutes or until it's crispy. Then transfer it to a plate. Reserve the fat in the skillet. Now, mince 2 garlic cloves and cook the garlic in the skillet until it's fragrant, which should take about 1 minute. Add the cooked spaghetti to the skillet and toss it in the bacon fat. Then, remove the skillet from the heat and add the egg and Parmesan mixture. Stir the pasta until it's creamy, but don't scramble the eggs. Finally, chop the bacon into bite-sized pieces and mix it into the pasta. Serve and enjoy.